Here is my aunt's 1986, or no, 1984 Carrier round one, or brown round, if you will, air conditioner starting up. I'm willing to do this video for a while now. That suction line is already ice cold. It is missing a cap. We need to get one. Get one for it. I mean, we're already throwing out hot air. This thing works really well. The problem is the ducting system in the house is really screwed up, and it's all going to need to be redone. The unit itself works perfectly fine. It's just the air system. Like, all the ducting needs to be redone and stuff, because some of it's all torn up. And a whole mess, so. Figure I'd get it started. Go ahead and go inside and show you guys the thermostat. That's my phone right there. I have the GoPro app, so I just started recording right as it turned on. So here's the new thermostat. It's a Pro thermostat. I set it to 71 just so it would turn on. And here's the air handler. The original air handler to it, and it still has that popcorn ceiling in here. This, I believe, is the original thermostat. It's a Honeywell that does not work anymore. Adam's furnace cup. And then there's the coil. Yeah, apparently this thing is screwed up, so no longer works. And that's the box for the new stat. This is because there's an elbow right here, and holy crap, that is already starting to sweat. Because there's an elbow right here, and it likes to drip off of the line right there, so it drips into this. And, you know, that works. There's a lot of air leakage around here, though. Lots and lots of air leakage, which needs to be fixed pretty badly, but yep, here it is. We're back to this video of it. Now go ahead and go back down. And here it is again. Now that's blowing some hot air out. Oh yeah. That's nice and cold. The video of all the air conditioners in this complex will be coming up soon, after I get it all edited, because it's gonna have to be cut into a couple of parts, because there's 300 air conditioners. Well, there's 300 units here, over 300, and there's like, well, a lot of units, so there's tons. So I'm guessing 300 plus air conditioners. So I guess I'll go ahead and shut it down now. Got it right there. And there you guys go. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, like, comment, and subscribe. And here's the phone that I use to control GoPro. Alright, so see ya.